In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video directly to social media. If you want to quickly publish a video to your social platforms without downloading it first or using extra tools, this process is simple and efficient. The built-in sharing options let you send your video straight to the platform you want, which can save time and make posting much more convenient. To begin, open the video you want to share. Make sure you are viewing the correct video before moving forward, especially if you have several similar files or recent uploads. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid posting the wrong content later. Once the video is open, look for the share option. This is the main control that allows you to send the video to other apps, platforms, or contacts. Tap or click. Share to open the available sharing methods. Depending on the device or app you are using, the share button may appear as text or as an icon, but it should be easy to identify. After opening the share menu, you'll see a list of social media options. Select the icon for the platform where you want to post the video, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or another available service. Choose the one that matches the audience you want to reach. If you manage multiple social platforms, this is a good point to pause and think about where the video makes the most sense before posting. Once you choose the platform, you'll usually be taken to a posting screen. Here, add your caption. This is where you can provide context for the video, write a short message, or include any details you want your audience to see along with the post. Keep your caption clear and relevant to the content of the video. If the platform allows it, you can also review how the post will appear before it goes live. When everything looks good, go ahead and post directly. This sends the video and your caption to the selected social media platform without any extra steps. After posting, it's always a good idea to verify that the post published successfully and appears the way you intended. That's it. Open the video, tap share, choose the social platform, add your caption, and post directly. It's a fast and practical way to get your content online and in front of your audience with minimal effort.